What's up, y'all? You might be asking yourself looking at this, what does this create? What are we making today? If you can't see in my face, I'm excited. We're making one of my favorite dishes in the world. And along with the Thai green curry, I order a lot of Thai food. I order so much Thai food. And tonight we're gonna make drunken noodles, which is probably the thing besides green curry that I order the most. And all of this is gonna get combined into what I think is, the reason I love drunken noodles so much is like, it's really in your face. I don't know why the word drunken is in the name, but to me it's because I get drunk off of this. It's so good. And I cannot wait to show how y'all get to make this at home. So you stop paying $20 in Doordash delivery fees a week, you learn a couple new skills, and you get to enjoy some incredible, authentic Thai food at home. Let's get into it.
Okay, so we're going to start by getting our mise in place, and for like the 11th time on this channel, we're going to peel some fresh ginger, and then we're going to slice this, and then julienne it, and not show off our knife skills here. Really, it's actually more of an exercise in what to do if you really want to chop off the tips of your fingers. And then, now we look sweet, chopping up some ginger. Then we're going to take 4 Thai chilies and just slice those, leaving the seeds in if you want it to be an inferno, which I decided that tonight I was going to risk my life. And then we're going to slice a whole scallion. And after the scallion's been sliced, I went with 3 cloves of garlic. You could do 4, maybe. Just don't kiss anybody afterwards. Once our garlic was sliced, you can just cut some green onion into roughly 2-3 inch chunks. Now it's time to make our sauce, which is 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tablespoon and a half of regular soy sauce, and then a tablespoon and a half of usukuchi or light soy sauce, a splash of black Chinese rice vinegar, some sweet slow-mo fish sauce, and about a teaspoon of cornstarch. Then you're going to mix that all together in a wok set over medium-high heat or high heat. You're going to throw about 7 ounces of sliced chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces and just get a nice sear on that. Once you have a sear, transfer that to a plate, add some more oil into your ripping hot wok, and then add all your vegetable and just stir-fry that in your wok for about 30 to 45 seconds, adding back in your chicken, continuing to stir fry, then adding your sauce, pouring it around the edge so that you get some of that sweet wok as the soy sauce burns. And as your sauce cooks down, I also added about 2 teaspoons of crushed palm sugar and then 7 ounces of fresh rice noodles. Continue to stir fry until you have a sauce that has been reduced, that thoroughly coats the noodles, should have a really nice thick consistency. Then you're going to add about a cup of Thai basil leaves, kill the heat, and stir until they just begin to wilt. From here, it's time to plate, put in your favorite bowl, and then spend an irrational amount of time after squirting some lime into the bowl, making this presentable for the thumbnail photo that is soon to be taken. And then it is time to enjoy.
All right, guys, and there you have it. This is so easy to put together. I think that took 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So much faster than ordering delivery. And now my whole kitchen just smells like a Thai restaurant, and it also smells like a fire, because if you're cooking with a wok, to get that wok heat, it's gonna be hot. So, oh my God. It's the sound of a good sauce. So there's not a lot to say. If you haven't had drunken noodles before, like, it's one of the, like pad Thai can go fly a kite. It's not even close. Drunken noodles is so much better. I'm sorry, you can at me if you want, but I won. So it's just time. And like, I can tell how spicy this is gonna be because I'm a little anxious. Like, I can smell I take a whiff and the chili like hits me. I'm like, oh no. I know this is what I do. I like slap the table, I walk over here, and I come back. I'll tell you how good it is, but oh my God. Seriously, so good. The chicken's perfectly cooked, very tender. That's why you always use chicken thighs, not breast. Chicken breasts are sad. The sauce adheres to, coats the noodles. You get the fresh bite of the Thai basil coming through. That squeeze of lime juice is really key. And there's just the umami bomb of all the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, the fish sauce, the MSG. It's hot. 4 Thai chilies is a bold move, Cotton. So, Oh, I'm gonna go keep burning my mouth and my insides eating this. And now, y'all can go make this. You know how now. So stop ordering delivery, stop what you're doing, don't be lazy, do it yourself, learn some things, enjoy the process, have a ball. Let me know what you want to see next. What do you order all the time that you want to learn how to make at home? Please leave this video a like, a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to keep sharing my passion for all things food, travel, enjoy with the rest of you. Until next time, y'all. Peace.